English language class. Today we'll be looking at vocabulary and we'll be checking direct and indirect speech. What is direct speech? Direct speech refers to someone reporting what someone else said by repeating the exact words of the speaker. That is, you are saying something the exact way that person said it. While writing direct speech, you use quotation marks or inverted commas to highlight the original statement of the speaker and differentiate it from what you are saying. Examples of direct speech. The teacher asked, "Why did you come late to school?" The teacher asked, "Why did you come late to school?" You say that when I was talking, I said the teacher asked. Then I said what the teacher said exactly as the teacher said it. This question, which was asked by the teacher, was also put in quotation marks so that the reader can identify that that question is exactly how the teacher asked it. Then for a statement, which is the reply of the student said, "I was trying to finish up my assignment." And in writing, we can see, "I was trying to finish up my assignment," explained John, showing that John is the one who originally made the statement and not the teacher or the person reporting. Now, what is indirect speech? Indirect speech refers to when someone reports what someone else has said without using their exact words. Another word for indirect speech is reported speech. This can also be called reported speech. When writing indirect speech, you do not use inverted commas and you do not use quotation marks. This is because they are not needed and you are not going to be repeating the words of the speaker exactly as they said it. Examples of indirect speech. You'll remember that in the last example, when talking under direct speech, we said the teacher asked, "Why did you come late to school?" But in indirect speech, the proper way to say it would be the teacher asked John why he came late to school, or the teacher asked why John came late. The teacher asked why John came late. The second example, John explained that he was trying to finish up his assignment. You will note that there are no quotation marks in this type of speech, and the person reporting is not reporting the statements exactly as the original speakers spoke them, but still managing to pass across the main points made by the original speakers. The differences between direct and indirect speech is that these. Direct speech refers to the exact repetition of the words the original speaker said. However, indirect speech refers to someone else reporting what the original speaker said without using the exact words. Then, in writing, while writing direct speech, you use quotation marks or inverted commas to identify the exact words of the original speaker, while in indirect speech, you do not do that. Let's look at examples of direct speech converted to indirect speech. The first one, he said, "I am hungry." He said, "I am hungry." In indirect speech, that will be, he said he is hungry. He said he is hungry. Example 2. The teacher said, "I have marked your notes." The teacher said, "I have marked your notes." Indirect speech. The teacher said that he had marked their notes. The teacher said that he had marked their notes. Example 3. Roman said, "I am going home." Rahman said, I am going home. And in indirect speech, you have Rahman said that he was going home. Rahman said that he was going home. Now that you know what direct speech is and you are able to identify the differences between direct speech and indirect speech, for your homework, write 5 sentences in direct speech mode and convert them to indirect speech. Have a nice day.